Hi friends, this is Tejas Bedre signing in to give a quick unboxing of the Mi Band, which was launched last year. So we'll just start with the unboxing now. This is a Mi Band which I have ordered from mi.com/in, which is basically I got this in offer of for 800 rupees. So we'll have a quick unboxing of the stuff. This band is really packed in a very good packaging. Okay guys, you will find a very brown color package material which basically includes the MI band in it. So this is the box and this is the copy of the invoice which we can claim it for a warranty, and this is the main device. It is really packed in a very small and a compact box and has a very fine plastic coating on that. This band it is supported. This is in a Bluetooth Smart which is supported to all Android and iOS devices. Basically you need to download an app of MI Fit from the App Store or the Play Store. You can see. So we'll just unwrap this. It is very finely packed in a small box. So this is pretty good. Now we'll unbox the product from this box. Okay, it's pretty hard to take it out as it is very tightened up with the upper box. Okay, so here it is, the Mi Band. You can see the whole packaging of this. This is the main unit which is made of pure 100% aluminium. This is the main unit, and inside that you can see this band, a rubber band in which this metal unit like the aluminium has been fitted into. You can see even the button of this is made of 100% pure aluminium, and this material is of a military grade, so that it is a very long lasting and a durable material. You can see, and it has a many like it is suitable to any hand. Like there are different sizes, different holes, you can adjust it according to that. And it is the build quality of this rubber is outstanding. In a price of 800, it is a luxury. I will directly come to this MI device which is inside this. You will just have to twist it up and the product comes out of that. And here is the tracker. You can see the size of the product is pretty small, pretty slim, and as the finish is also very good. This is the charging pins from where the device actually gets charged, and you can see a small MI logo beneath that. And what's more, okay, here there is a small charging unit. It's basically a USB unit which comes inside that. You need to adjust it with an adapter, USB adapter, to charge this this tracker inside that. But just simply putting this tab into this shell so that it gets charged. It's easily fitting inside that, so that it gets charged inside this. This is a pretty small cable, but it's okay because MI says that this has a battery backup of 30 days or more. So I feel that it's pretty much it is easy to get it charged and forget for the next charge for a long time. And again, there is, okay, here there is an user manual. Inside this actually tells you how to install the device into the rubber band, how to install this MiFit app. Even the QR code is given here. You can even, guys, you can just scan it up on your devices. I'll just keep it this way so that you can directly be redirected on this. And here are all the, like, how to use it, charging, and how to pair the device with your phone, assembly, everything. Even there is a warranty, safety notice, technical specification, regulatory notice, and all are included in this. This is just a normal, which comes with everything, every stuff. So this is all comes inside this box. So hope you guys get a proper review. Or even after a few days, I'll be posting another video which would give you a proper update and review, the perfect review of this mini tracker. Till then, guys, this is Tejas Bede signing out. Hope you have a nice day.